this amazing space. Look at this amazing woman.
Hi!
All right, so I'm here in Traci Owens' studio in Auburn, which is the most adorable little town, only about 20 minutes from me. And you have this gorgeous downtown stretch with bars and restaurants and the workshop space for our upcoming workshop right next door.
Right next door. So, you know, if we need something else, we just run over here and grab it.
Right? And it's going to be, so Traci and I are doing a workshop together. And it's going to be here in Auburn, which we thought would be fabulous because of the proximity to everything and her studio. So you get to visit Traci's studio. That's a bonus.
Oh my God, I have to clean my studio?
Well, it's pretty clean right now. I can see the floor.
Yeah, right. And all the paintings are delivered, so yeah.
Yeah, she was on a big push to get, well, how many was it? 5?
I took 5. Well, I did 7. 5 made the cut.
5 made the cut. So, to Laguna Beach.
Laguna Beach, yeah. At Lou Martin Gallery.
So that was a big push.
Yeah, it was fun.
Yeah, but you got it all done. So now she has time to talk to me and you about this workshop that's in January of 2026. It's 4 days. It's going to be 2 days of Traci and 2 days of me. And it's going to start with Traci.
Right. So we're going to start with a raw canvas because I love these because you can just roll them up and get them home. And then a little frame it out. I'll have a link where you can find these frames.
Which are super cool because you can just hang the raw canvas.
Yeah, and they are magnetized, so they just hang. It's really fun. So we'll be starting with a raw canvas, and we're going to do some fun background work, and then bring in a kooky figure.
Love my kooky figures from you.
Kooky figures, yeah. And then with design in mind, because when you go to her, with the collage...
Then we'll be gel printing our own collage papers not to cover up the whole piece, because we want to keep that Traci figure vibe in it, but kind of to make it a mixed media piece. Yeah. So we're going to be focusing on some fashion elements with the figure. So like hats, like you have hats, glasses, clothing. That'll be the kind of stuff. Yeah, jewelry. That'll be the kind of stuff we'll apply collage to. So it'll have like the duality of like Traci Owens and Elizabeth St. Hilaire. It's going to be really cool, I think.
How great is that?
And it's going to be fun.
It's going to be fun. It's going to be a lot of fun. Yeah.
And I have to say that there's always going to be the potential student that's going to say, I can't draw faces and I can't draw people, right? But you have a unique kind of stylized approach to figures.
I do, and I make it super simple for you to figure out, to move with me, and we go step by step. So if it's your first time ever doing a face, you can do it. You can do it.
Yeah.
You can do it. And you know what? It's always about everyone, people say they can't, I can't write, or I can't. We didn't know how to write when we started out. Remember those little squares, and we had to write in the box, and, so if you can't draw, you start somewhere, and it's the tools you use, and how we set it up. You can do it. You can do it.
So all levels are welcome because, like Traci said, we're going to guide you through it step by step. But also Traci's faces and figures, this is not meant to be realism.
No, not at all. The less perfect, the better. The more movement. One of my things you'll hear me say a lot of times is no straight lines. Don't do any straight lines. Just make it wonky, and they just move. You'll have movement in them. It'll be fun.
I'm all for no straight lines.
No straight lines.
Yeah. So they're going to be fun, wonky, kind of stylized figures that you don't have to worry about making real.
And a lot of times, what you think is a mistake is usually the best feature in your person.
Yeah?
It's the best feature. It's like, if that's the weirdest looking thing, it's going to be the best feature in it. So
I am actually over the moon excited because I will be a student for the first 2 days with Traci so that I can create my own figure to then apply the collage to, and then you'll get to be my student.
Can't wait. Can't wait to do the papers.
So that's going to be fun too.
That's going to be really fun.
That's going to be fun. So it's a 4-day workshop. Do you remember the dates?
Nope.
It's the middle of January.
Oh my gosh, the 17th. Where's my phone? Oh, we're filming on it.
No, that's my phone.
That's yours. One moment, please.
All right. Hold, please.
Golly.
it's the middle of January, and like I said, it's going to be right here in Auburn. It's going to be a lot of fun. It's going to be good weather, and what do we got? January 13th through the 16th?
Yes.
That's it.
13, 14, 15, 16.
Yes.
Yes, yes.
And
It's gonna be fun.
And if you're traveling, you're going to fly into Sacramento, and we're about how far from the airport here?
It's about 35 minutes.
35?
Depending on what time you're flying in.
But not bad.
That's not bad.
Not a very, and there's hotel accommodations close by.
Walking distance to every restaurant you can. We just got a new one open up too, so every kind of restaurant, every kind of food is within a few blocks of me.
Yeah.
The hotel is about 4 blocks. Maybe a little farther, 5 blocks, whatever. But it's super simple, back road, right across the street. So everything's
it's
within walking distance. Yeah,
it's a great location. It's 2 of your favorite people. It's an amazing subject matter.
and you don't have to tear down every day.
Right. We get to
Do not
stay
have to
set
tear
up.
down. So you show up with your stuff, you leave, and you pack up when we leave. So you don't have to tear down every day. We can just leave and
Leave
you
it
go
there.
do what you want. Yeah,
Awesome. I'm really looking forward to it.
me too.
And we already have a few signups, so
Woohoo!
it's exciting.
Come play with us.
Yeah, come play with us in January.
Yeah, perfect.